Have you ever wondered how Woodpecker started to create the most beautiful floors? Let us take you through the Woodpecker memory lane. Everything started with Bruce Kerr, a lawyer from profession, but a craftsman from heart. A family man, Bruce was driven by principles and justice. Conflicted by his profession and not living true to his values, he decided to take a turn in his life. With a passion for wood and artistic talent, Woodpecker marked its beginning. From wood-turning workshops to family tree houses, the love for wood was passed to Bruce's son Nelson and grandson Darwin Kerr. Today, Woodpecker is formed by extended family we didn't know existed. Each Woodpecker genuinely lives the company's core values, and together we are dedicated to bring the best out of each other while creating the most beautiful wood floors. Each Woodpecker plank is made with materials that are at least 100 years old. This means that every tree being harvested today started growing in the 1800s. Extensive care and attention to detail is required to deliver the best wood floors. And for this exact reason, we have the confidence to warranty our products for 100 years. We are also committed to be the ancestors of tomorrow. We want to ensure future generations continue to be inspired by the beauty of nature, past, present, and future. We are creating the Woodpecker Forest of Tomorrow by planting 50,000 oak saplings over 200 acres in the beautiful countryside in South Wales, United Kingdom. What started as a treehouse is now the Woodpecker icon. Our headquarters in the United Kingdom has a replica of the treehouse because no matter how tall we grow, we will always remember our roots. From our family to yours for 100 years. Woodpecker.